Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Krausmann 7000. This is a power tool, a cordless screwdriver that is rechargeable, and it is one of the most aggressive priced screwdriver in this category. Now this is powered with a lithium-ion battery that takes a 3.7 volt input, and it has a lot of features like an LED light and a rotating grip that will check right away after we open this really handy box that is really great for storing this on a shelf. So let's open it up, okay, from this grip here. So there we have it. This is the rechargeable screwdriver. Now this seems really great, and we have this here for changing the rotation, and this is a locking mechanism here. Okay, this is ready for work. I really like this one, and we can just press this here for changing the rotation, like screwing and unscrewing a screw in place. That's really great. And this locking mechanism is for turning it around and making it like this. So we have a full-blown cordless screwdriver here. That's really great. So let's check what else we have in the box. It seems we have some extra wrapping material. And here we have all the screw heads included of various types. This here will be for storing them and not losing them. I guess here are all the common types of screwdriver heads that you'll ever need. Inside the box you also find the charging cable. This is a typical USB charger with a short cable that I'm not a real fan of, but I can see where corners were cut given the price. So you have to connect this to a USB port to charge it, and connect the other end here on the rear end that stores the lithium-ion battery inside, and this is how we charge it. Now last but not least, we also have this screw head part with bit that is to connect a screwdriver end, and turn it like that. We have a pistol-like power tool at our disposal. For all of this and more, you just have to check the jack in a box like rectangular paper with the form of a booklet like this manual that you can find in the box. We have all the important information here, and for the proper use of our power tool, it has it in different languages. You just have to take your time and consult this one for the proper use of your tool, and everything you need is written right here on this really tiny manual. So enough said, that's all that's in the box. Now, given that this is a screwdriver with different heads, we can just test one right now. Just enter here in this magnetic strap, and it's ready for use, just like that. Now this product is a no-brainer, and given its price we can give it a single-handedly thumbs up. So this was the unboxing of the Krausmann 7000 rechargeable screwdriver. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.